Hi guys, it's still your girl Dima Arts and Crafts, and guess what? Today I am in Amala. Today is their cultural day, like they're celebrating their culture today, and their culture is so very unique. So I'm here to witness it and share it with each and every one of you. As you can see from the background, you can see the way they are celebrating their culture. Today is one of the happiest days in Amala. Any son or daughter of Amala celebrate today, they feel very happy today because today is their day. So follow me as I go into giving in details what is happening here. As you can see from the background, a lot of cultures, a lot of masquerade, a lot of things. Thank you for watching. Still don't forget to follow me as you remain your girl, Dima Arts and Crafts. Thank you. Hello. Igwe.
You're welcome.
Idaga.
Alright,
because you come on and you clear and hear Mark.
Okay. Eji maram Igwe Akorimond Emenike of Enachi Kingdom, Namala.
Namala. Going to Janu when the man in many Mbagondin, and going to be quite a beside the man in Menta.
Yes, my mind in Menta, Meme Omenala, Amala. My album Meme Elimeri Ainek on Wesa. Yes. On Wesa and Abia near the 6th month of the year. No gas no on Wesa now have exactly 7th month. Nala Giag and the Marania traditional. Nagama hengwete exactly the energy made in me. So yaba in a menta. Malele nwere alone Amalegas. Naftata. Bayabu memeni aneki ngene menta na bo. Nakatabana naman.
Naman.
Yes. So ma nuku memen the madene abiacha. Abiafeni me because no wa mala na malite yene fuwa menala. Nensuka. Ndozo soteda in us.
Yo basaro menala wa mala ne vuza malite before ndozo sotere.
No na me buru onwesa. Nendu bolo tendozo lele ani me wegu me makatapa nke ya no ba ine vuzo.
Ngban bijane gafumunga madu juburu hali anayo no de tana gozugbo me ngbago tebe nsmamu ute juburu me wota yebo basare memen
me ngbago tere na lamala ya mbosa katapa na naman ya fuchande ogeren fucharndish different kind of ndish na lamala le ya futani make today na mongu di chichiche ya je me ya meme so ne on board
ngore mong kan gaftanta kon hellele na yaftanta
mong de fable mong iye me ma onwesa agbasara na aftanta men go bere o men kenu ku fon mom ne yafuna na ojuroju belile
no bobu ni megbere ntana na man omenality
megbere ntana na ne in the next 4 days they go do makambosa akatakana azu afiam yam kaine ekogbo azuburu ekogbo no next one azaza gabe kakatapa after that one emala
ogboro baba na azu de yasho
enda buru manunta azume ekogbo then azumaze kakatapa nemala azi no have next year around this time when we keep follow the same day because when we guys are calculated having no menal the just now you have also.
Ya kono nga do asagone on wade hana na ni wendo na ma date ni fama na
the actually date asagode exactly day am not the 6th month of the year but no when they predict boy and another the exactly day and me have me mon wesan not the guy asagone and asagone Christmas be 25th of every year. No near my non I fall into one watching him against I got the thing.
Give me a mistake.
Mistake now. He made mistake now no be the tradition. Me made mistake no be go mena. So here I am in King Bendish. I know I enemy up to today.
They are really having fun. As you can see, a lot of them are dancing, jubilating, celebrating. Got the love of culture, man. I'm loving it. Mama, no way. I'm Mrs. Eze Justin and Wadampa. Oh, what is the bumper? I'm Moya Mala. I'm Moya Malagas. I'm Moya in front of the lake. I'm Moya Lake Akaramuku. Ay, we are just waiting on time. Kimbo Memunu de Bentan, Luna, Muriana. Oh, I am a man, Ihafa. Ihaji Mariana Malade, Nafabar. The gay hand Heineke on West. No West Agar. No one is a table, West Sato. My West Saturn Fabraga is a baller. No West Abbey Homa, Nile. One motor no West Aboma said, when you want West. When you want West, and you want West. Oyamurumba seke, the Gantana beke, no be honey J. Creepy. And Onion Amorwamba, so Mamma Lena Naman. I shanta no Yeke Tony, Nazia. Momena Labaya Blentana Gar. No Yanagas, AK. Nkele soke aha nke tabo eke ono na manu iso ono na manu nfubo oji odo ozo manu ya ba ya roti homa ya ba nji are nya weze stoka jama ihoma si homa mbere na la mala eso daru no
de vale. Oh, bebe, bala, bala, oh, you go there, can go, I know that I don't know what they are putting my debate. He got a lot of Naga to be the you are allowed to know what I hear with the oh, today I don't know who the educated.
bakai. Osu we se yo bokama. Bo te mo ha he ka no bi ani kuno no no le kogu. Na na kwata we ro bi o di ho ja. So te ko ye ya ka. Ja o tu wa ye ba ma na na de ku bezo pe. Ni ba le do ba ru to ye. A ma bo lo kana to le pa. A kuna ba kwa ure bi ya kogu ha. Ka.
Yes, yeah, any mentor, women are lying, and a milk of a lily, and I'm from that to pass a lily. So, my mind a mentor, and a cable, then Joe and another man. Open Joe was let us go, yeah, so then the winter, Bunjo and another man. Man, if you have fun, time to men and women have time to men and no, we don't take that risk with it. Yabuke Akatapa. So there was open and Jomna there, and I could act quickly. So when I line in a man by the key and a buy, you have to go west.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm Dima Hassan Craft. You married?
I'm Onyeka Eze. Well, here in the middle, we are on one side. Now, I love Amalek. Yeah, we are video. And every year, and the I celebrate here at the festival. Antana diche, Antana uboso, all the video is the ashwa. Ya wonta, ya na boya na katakwana na manu. Woke me wan ya bia tiga katakwa bom. Wale butere wo odo na lagre.
Tanu mu wan ku di me ga kale ho intel.
Mo bo wana.
Stem bandish be mere ko bo.
Stem bandish be mere.
Me ya chido.
Ya chido ma maro.
Ore gwarum gam jase la bia no me na lan sika no ba mala bo ni video no ba mala video de ni mala le sete
iji kwezo kuna amala be o mala le biro na ale gbol agwata sika ana o mala le na furo biro de na amala so e gwar o mu gwar gezo
na bo video no be me de bulu zegi e me no ale
o mbo
Daru nice by no imenu daru
No.
munyo mibu dibi ne der monyo monyo ko ko cheze ga bibi no kwa makiriri localize da loro ndo ye pere ga na kwa na de chiku ko yo kwa de chino ma be niku ita ta na ke mu ara be ata me bona mi ne na ba de na fuma ba ho do ha za na fuma ye makirikiri wa pare ze mu de chiku ko yo kwa de chino ma be niku oho chama kanga no hene nda wale ga zo bu nukweke toshinalo no hene oya mu kudere zada mo ko no kan ge gbe no mu chara chara oza ma meze anota mo giri bubu laare na no do uto la de la wo wo to ba ba to za nde gara bi ko ro ma ne ai to ni da mbo he to sa no mo ku ndo no ri re ze bu ana me mweza ma meze de chino ga na nwa woro koro wori te du ko na bo ga ni pada mutan ne ho koro chira na ama mo ne wa mo wi e ke gbabo no koro ga ni ba mo no koro bi agree bo si ya ide o da ba to mi ya de bi no ya kuse ba si ya ga na nwa mu o ka no bu na ba ga do mi chara chara iro bi mo du kuse na ga gba mo be wo su ne kwa ko tru ko ke ku to ta ro wera ya ise le mara mi ya ga no bi sa ge ho di no ko Chico kama mota mo chimbo ga bichaja teguru o imu rama akai de go kogurugu ka fuma mo ko be ya yin mo da ke am de ka o ji ko ka chugo ta no ma ya kare ra go ra na ra na kullu o ko ma no ko go su o ti da no ma no je je ba zo na ti da mo ma ne ka o do bo yin be o na me de be do ke na ma aja ka de mo ji te na be ba kwa yi ji ne ne go kaya mi nyamale mi gidaba mama afoma mi gidibo maguro ubasa ayo mi baba maguro tekuri ebashiala owe bonga golola ko owe ze nem owe bonga golola ko abale chi ba ko dewe na wa una le oru kwa mata be sa ga no wala bi wala ko je ko mor bo be te manate mi si be kara ya e ma to zina ko ze kwa tuta kwa so da trene na chioso no mario tenda karne iwe o ti sa wule di oyi akeke da pote na acha ya tara ana trene le ko kun ti so la kwa manu mo wala ya wo mama bo ge bene di ko no wo nan ma ko wo ndo ku o ku ni ko nai ala gina la de ku ya da na kara o ko baro o ko baro ne men ne bene ku ne kwa ga tere la kwa ile mezi ina ko ya kwa na funi ya para ile ya na ko ya o ye ko ni mo ko ni na wo ni ma na hello mama na so ke ma ku do mo na ga chi ya wo he ga le te o ta ni ka de
bia kaya wo ko fo gere to ya bezura ma peto grega na ja so wo ko efu me ke wo ku pete gana go bele ke na ke taratar awuro ko le ko jiri de ko ni de baba hada na rof na do ko ni de o rof na ko le mo ke no man ke tani ni le le ni le ah rete se si ya dima rete se si ya
Jabakai, what's the way they love of them? What the move, I can no be a little on the good. Never got a little bit. People here, your car. Then, ultimately, woman and I could be. If I let them to tell you, I'm a brother and I told them, I put up a phone with you, that program.
Normal lens. The one that carries for this lens.
Can I my brother Chika?
Nwayọ.
the event. This is how they celebrated their cultural festival today, which they celebrated in Amala Egazi, here in Uden local government area of Enugu state of Nigeria. So I came to join them to celebrate the culture together with them, and it was fun. I really enjoyed myself, like it was fun, it was lively. Thank you for watching. I see you made your humble girl, Dima Arts and Crafts. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handle at Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube as well. See Dima Arts and Crafts, as I will be bringing you more cultural vibes. See what that good. It's fun here, man. I love you. Love you.